Hello viewers, today in this video I will show you the 5 characteristics of cell in Excel. Here every point is cell, like this field is cell, this is the column D and this is the row 5. So this is the identification is D5, this is a cell, D6 this is a cell, D7 this is a cell. So there are some 5 characteristics of cell in Excel that I will share with you today. So here this is 5 characteristics. First character is text, then number, then true, then false, this is then error. So if I type anything, any word, here I type the word hello, after type here it's showing on left side, and in second I type number, that is show on right side. So this is the characteristics. If you type text, then it show left, so you can understand this is the text. And you can judge these characteristics when they are set as general. In general format you can judge the characteristics. Here this format I mark as general, then I type this. Now true and false, this is the very condition. When you condition, then it will show the on middle alignment. And for text, left alignment, number right alignment, and condition true middle alignment, false is middle alignment. And error, when show error is the types of characteristics of cell. Like here you can see in the equation that here I entered 1 divided 0, so that means it's showing as error. So if you did any mistake and that time formula not work, and then it will show like this. So thank you for watching the video.